This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 2473. It is in like new condition. Mileage is under 200. The chassis is a new 2019 Dodge 4500. It is 4-wheel drive. It has a liquid ride suspension aftermarket with kneeling feature. Engine is a 6.7 liter Cummins diesel. Overall length is 25 feet 6 inches. Overall height is 110 3/4 inch. Headroom is 72. It is a Medtec module. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new gaskets, a new Whelen siren amp and speakers. It has all new state-of-the-art Whelen LED lights inside and out. It has a new trip light inverter and charger and a new HVAC system. It is a new 2019 Ram 4500 4-wheel drive with 6.7 liter diesel engine. Body configuration is left front oxygen. It has a Zico lift with universal bracket. Additional storage in the adjacent L2 compartment with an adjustable shelf. Has all new drip rails, all new rub rails, all new diamond plate, new running boards, new mud flaps. L number 3 has inside-outside access in the top third, a couple adjustable shelves. It's a new diamond plate rear bumper with flip-up step. It also has a kneeling feature with the liquid ride. The load height is approximately 32 inches in the knelt position. Unit is also fitted with a striker rail, a power load and power cot system supplied by a 110 volt to 12 volt converter to keep them charged. The interior configuration is left side attendant seat with forward action area. Storage below with drawers, storage behind, left side attendant seat, and above. The power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat. It is a Type 1 3/4 walk-through configuration. Has a door to separate the cab and the body. Also has a new console, new panel, new LED switches, new Whelen siren head, area for radios, beverages, and also documents. HVAC's at front bulkhead, storage above the right front inside-outside access ALS cabinet, glove storage above the curbside door, overhead storage above the squad bench, also storage beneath the squad bench. It has a 2-step entry and lowered skirt line for ease of curbside ingress and egress. Right rear backboard storage. Also a couple of shelves, also with inside-outside access. ALS cabinet has inside-outside access with 3 adjustable shelves. The unit has 2 batteries under hood, and so the right front lower compartment houses the inverter and charger. the 110 volt to 12 volt converter, and then also a pump. If you would have questions or would like more information on truck number 2473, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.